Imagine a bustling marketplace in ancient Egypt. The air is thick with the aroma of spices, fresh produce, and something truly tantalizing, honeyed treats. Egyptians, with their sophisticated palates, were among the first to craft confections. These early candies, made from dates, figs, nuts, and honey, were a testament to their ingenuity. Vendors expertly rolled these mixtures on stone slabs, creating simple yet satisfying sweets. These treats weren't just for the elite. They were enjoyed by people from all walks of life, offering a sweet respite from the desert heat. The process, though simple, was an art form. Selecting the ripest fruits, sourcing the purest honey, and achieving the perfect texture required skill and patience. It was a testament to the Egyptians' deep respect for food and their ability to transform simple ingredients into delightful indulgences. Fast forward to the medieval era, a time of bustling trade routes and cultural exchange. Arab merchants, known for their culinary prowess, introduced a game-changer: crystallized sugar. This prized ingredient, originating from India, quickly made its way to the Middle East and then Europe, forever altering the landscape of candy making. Sugar, with its versatility and unique ability to transform into syrups, caramels, and hard candies, opened up a world of possibilities. Skilled confectioners experimented with flavors and textures, crafting elaborate sugar sculptures and delicate bonbons. These treats, initially enjoyed by the wealthy, gradually became more accessible, spreading sweetness across social classes. Let's step into a modern candy factory, a symphony of whirring machinery and a rainbow of colors. Gone are the days of stone slabs and simple tools. Today, massive machines churn, mix, and mold ingredients with precision, producing a mind-boggling variety of candies. From chewy gummies to hard candies, chocolates to lollipops, the sheer variety is a testament to the evolution of candy making. Ingredients are sourced globally, flavors are meticulously crafted, and packaging is designed to entice. It's a far cry from the ancient Egyptians, yet the goal remains the same: to create a moment of pure sugary bliss. From the honeyed dates of ancient Egypt to the sugar-coated delights of today, the journey of candy making is a testament to human ingenuity and our universal love for sweets. The tools have evolved, from simple stone slabs to sophisticated machinery, and the ingredients have expanded, incorporating flavors and textures from every corner of the globe. But one thing remains constant: the simple joy that a piece of candy can bring. It's a reminder that even in a world of complexities, there's always room for a little bit of sweetness.